Next one, find surface integration f dot n cap into ds, where f equal to I 4xz I 4xz minus jy square plus kyz, and S is the surface of a cube, the surface of a cube bounded by x equal to 0, comma x equal to 1, y equal to 0, comma y equal to 1, and z equal to 0, comma z equal to 1. In solution, according to Gauss theorem, here given, find surface integration f dot n cap into ds, where f equal to I 4xz minus jy square plus kyz, and S is the surface of a cube bounded by x equal to 0, comma x equal to 1, y equal to 0, comma y equal to 1, and z equal to 0 and z equal to 1. So in solution, according to Gauss theorem, surface integration f dot n cap into ds equal to volume integration divergence f into dv. Divergence f here. Divergence f means del dot f. So volume integration del dot f means dou f suffix x by dou x plus dou f suffix y by dou y plus dou f suffix z by dou z. Here dv means dx dy dz. Dx dy dz. So integration with respect to x, integration with respect to y, and integration with respect to z. In next step, volume integration dou by dou x, f suffix x means f suffix x component 4xz plus dou by dou y, f suffix y value minus y square plus dou by dou z, f suffix z value yz into dx dy dz. Next here, differentiation after integration. Volume integration. Here 4xz, x differentiation with respect to x 1 and 4z constant, 4z into x. Here minus y square differentiation with respect to y minus 2y, and yz differentiation with respect to z, so plus y is constant, z differentiation with respect to z 1, dx dy dz. In next, volume integration So here volume integration means we have limits, x limits and y limits, j limits, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. Here 4z, same value, minus 2y plus y. You get minus y into dx, dy, dz. After that, integration. So first integration with respect to z. So limits integration 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1. So here 4z. 4z integration and limits 0 to 1. So 4z. 4 generally integration x into dx means x square by 2. X power n plus 1. X power n into dx means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here z power 1. That means z power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. We get 4 into z square by 2. Minus here y into integration dz means we get by z 0 to 1 dx dy. Here only dx dy. After substitute limits, upper limit minus lower limit, integration 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1. Here 2 to the 4. So 2z, here 2z. When we substitute upper limit minus lower limit, we get 2 minus y. 2 minus y. Here 2 into z is upper limit minus 1. 2 into 1 minus here 1 means minus y. Minus of lower limit means total 0. Integration here dy dx. Because here we have y terms 2 minus y. So we have to integrate with respect to y. We get integration 0 to 1 2y minus y square by 2. Limits 0 to 1 into dx. After substitute upper limit minus lower limit. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2. We get 3 by 2. Integration 0 to 1. 2 minus 1 by 2 into dx. We get integration 0 to 1. 3 by 2 into dx. Here 3 by 2 constant and integration dx limits integration 0 to 1. So 3 by 2 is constant. Integration dx means we get x limits 0 to 1. So we have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit 3 by 2 1 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. We get 3 by 2 is the answer. This is from using Gauss divergence theorem. Here integration with respect to x, integration with respect to y and integration with respect to z. After substitute limits, we get the value is 3 by 2. So first unit, vector analysis problems.